Hello guys, I want to showcase a game that I have developed for a African client. So the game name is Maya Bingo. So if you know about Bingo, so this is the same game. I'm going to explain you how game works and what are the things I have done. So this is the website. So if I click play, obviously the game will come up and this is the leaderboard and these are the instructions. This is in Ethiopia. So the client is from Ethiopia and this is a profile screen where we can see the history, wallet, and my profile. So this is linked to Firebase and here you can see users, rooms, leaderboards, history and bonus. So everything is linked to Firebase and the backend server communicate with all the players is also on Firebase. I'm using the cloud function of Firebase. So this will communicate with all the players and it will declare who win, who lost. So all the server code is managed here. Okay, let's play a game. So once I launch the game, you can see there are like 9 different bits. So this one is the currency of Ethiopia. So I have given a test button so that you can add balance. So let's join the first one. So I have 200 cards. I can select any card. So when I select any card, it will increase my bet. So each card is 10. The betting amount is 10. So if I select 2, that means the betting amount is 20. So on parallelly I will connect on my mobile so that it's a mandatory 2-player game. At least 2 players we need to have. So I'm selecting on my phone now. So you can see 124 has turned blue and then red. I'm selecting 140 now. So this means this card is blocked. No one else can use it or select it until I cancel or confirm it. So if I cancel, it will go back to the normal color. And let me select another one. So now I selected 139, so it has turned red, which means no one else can use it. Okay, so this is the layout. So you can see my 4 cards. On my mobile I have selected only 2 cards. So this is the win amount. The stake is 10, so I have selected 4 cards, right? So which is 40, I have placed 40, so I can win 54. The rest amount will go to the moderator. So based on the numbers being called, I can select the numbers. Even though I don't select the numbers, the program will regularly check all the numbers and all the cards. So it will automatically declare who is the winner. So even though I don't select any cards, so this is only for engagement, user engagement. So if let's select, try to select all the cards now. Okay, so this is the card which has won. So the first row is bingo. Okay, so I won because I have one of the cards. So I don't want to play again. So let's close it. So this will return to the main screen. So now here in the rooms, this will be recorded. So this is the latest game, right? So I am the winner. So I am the winner. So 2 players played. So I am the winner, right? And I have selected for 47, 71, 111 and 140. So these are my cards. So these are the cards which were drawn. I mean, these are the numbers which are drawn, and counting is done. Numbers drawing is done. Number drawing is true. The stake is 10. Room ID. So everything is saved here. So this is the current room. So once the game has ended, now it will go and park in the history. So this is today's date. So everything is here. So this is a complete game which is handled on Firebase. So the data, user authentication, the real-time communication, so everything is here. So the game is built with Construct 3, and this website is built with Vite and React. So the backend is Firebase. So if you want to develop such games, you can reach out to me. So my contact is in the description. Alright, thank you for your time. We'll see you in the next video.